American Trucks and Equipment, located at 406 North State Road 7, Hollywood, Florida 33021. Call or text Anthony Rubio at 954-706-0081. We're going to go ahead and do a startup video on our 2009 Dodge Ram 4500 Terex High Ranger. It is an NT29 35-foot working height. The chassis is equipped with a 6.7 liter Cumming diesel automatic transmission. Only 121,000 original documented miles, fleet maintained, ice cold AC. It is a PTO based boom. The unit is ready to go to work. Recent oil change and service has been done. Fuel filter has been changed as well. We offer financing, shipping, and export on this unit. You can call to make arrangements at 954-706-0081. We are conveniently 10 minutes located south of Fort Lauderdale International Airport. You're more than welcome to fly in and drive her home. I can issue you a temporary tag. If this is not the unit you're looking for, please call me or check out our inventory at AmericanTrucksandEquipment.com. We do stock other aerial units, dump trucks, vacuum trucks, digger derricks, cranes. We'll go ahead and start her up. This is well-maintained truck, all original paint. Might help if I have the key. Radio works.
I'll sell them for $1.
Ice cold AC. Turn it off for the video demonstration. The truck was just inspected of June of 2019 for the boom. Did pass aerial inspection. Got 121,929 miles. Danny, you trying to get the exhaust clip?
That thing sounded good.
It is a door entrance platform. You got the emergency safety stop button here.